Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I post new videos. So today I'm going to make some tofu chili. So stick around to see what the ingredients are for this recipe. I have some green and orange bell pepper, some paprika. I have a few garlic cloves that I'm going to finely chop. I have 1 can of petite diced peeled tomatoes and tomato juice. You can also use 1 can of regular diced tomatoes. I have 1 can of dark red kidney beans. You can also use the pink kidney beans. I have 1 pack of McCormick mild chili seasoning. It also comes in regular and hot. I have some garlic powder. I have some homemade hot serrano pepper. I have a medium onion. You can use any brand of onion of your choice. I have a fresh hot chili pepper straight from our vegetable garden. And of course you can get any colored chili. In a small bowl I have some chopped orange bell pepper, as well as some frozen mixed bell pepper. You can use any bell peppers of your choice. I'm finely chopping half of my onion. I'm finely chopping half of the chili with the seeds and the other half without the seeds. I just want my chili to be mild, but if you want your chili to be extra hot, be my guest and put all the seeds. I'm finally chopping my fresh green onions straight from the garden. Did you guys see how big they got this year? So now we're going to move on to the tofu. I have a twin pack, but I'm only going to use 1. I'm placing my tofu into a bowl. It does resemble a block of mozzarella cheese. So before I can do anything with my tofu, I have to prep it. I have to remove as much liquid as I can out of the tofu. I usually do it the bootleg way by using my strainer and applying pressure to the tofu, but there are many other ways to do so. As you can see, I'm getting some white liquid out of the tofu. So this is my tofu after draining most of the water out of it. So now I'm going to crumble it to make it similar to ground beef or ground turkey. As far as the texture, it is soft and very easy to manage. So now I'm ready to add my other ingredients. I'm adding half of my chopped vegetables. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling some garlic powder. I'm going in lightly with sprinkling the homemade ground serrano because it is super hot and I just want mild. And now I'm bringing everyone together by mixing all my ingredients. I'm preheating about a teaspoon of olive oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. I'm adding 2 chopped garlic cloves for some extra flavor. I'm also adding in my chopped vegetables, and I'm going to give it a quick stir and allow it to cook until the vegetables are soft and translucent. I'm giving my vegetables a quick stir, and I'm also checking to see if they are soft. My vegetables are soft and translucent, so I'm adding in my seasoned tofu. I'm giving it a quick stir, and I'm going to allow it to cook on medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had tofu or cooked tofu, and what did you cook? So guys, the next step is optional. I decided at the last minute to add a little bit of paprika. Next, I'm spreading the paprika evenly throughout the tofu. So my tofu is done, so now let's make some chili. I'm adding my tofu to a small crock pot, but you can also do this on stovetop. My crock pot is on high, so I'm using some of the recipe from the McCormick package, but I'm also tweaking it and adding in my own ingredients. So I just added 1 can of red beans. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever cooked chili. Next, I'm mixing in 1 can of the diced tomatoes. For those of you who have made chili in the past, have you used the canned tomatoes or fresh tomatoes? Once I'm done, I'm adding in the 1 pack of McCormick chili seasoning. So we're all set. I'm going to cover it and cook it between 6 to 7 minutes. And it doesn't take long to cook because it's not meat. So there it is, guys, my tofu chili. It was so good. It was spicy and full of flavors. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.